Are you looking for a reliable solution to store your diesel fuel safely and efficiently? How can you ensure that your diesel fuel remains secure and easily accessible when you need it the most? Introducing our diesel storage tank, the ultimate solution for all your diesel storage needs. Our tanks are designed to provide a secure and convenient way to store your diesel fuel, ensuring that it remains free from contamination. With a robust construction and advanced safety features, our diesel storage tank offers peace of mind knowing that your fuel is stored in a secure and reliable container. Say goodbye to worries about leakage or theft. Our tanks are built to keep your diesel fuel safe and protected at all times. Not only does our diesel storage tank provide a secure storage solution, but it also offers unparalleled convenience. With easy access for refueling and maintenance, you can rest assured that your diesel fuel will always be readily available whenever you need it. Whether you are storing diesel fuel for your business, farm, or personal use, our diesel storage tank is the perfect solution for ensuring that your fuel remains secure, clean, and ready to use. Don't let storage issues hold you back. Invest in our diesel storage tank today and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your fuel is safe and protected. Take the first step towards better diesel storage today. Invest in our diesel storage tank and never worry about fuel storage again. Keep your diesel fuel safe, secure, and accessible with our state-of-the-art solution. To know more, contact our mobile number or visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.